Hello, my name is Tamasa and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a boat using a Rubik snake 24 pieces. Okay, let's begin. So first of all, this first green piece, we're going to be moving it twice upwards, like this. Then counting 1, 2, 3, 4, bang the fourth one up. This piece, we're going to bend it once. Green piece over here, we're going to be bending it twice. Then this piece, you move it once, like this. White piece, move once. The white piece, we move twice. So then this green piece can be moved to connect. We're going to then move this white piece twice. This piece once. And this white piece twice. Then we move the whole of this line, starting with this green piece, under this green piece once, white piece once. And then you should have completed your boat using a Rubik's Snake 24. Thank you for watching.